Whether you want to sip your way through Mexico's world-famous mezcals or tequilas, taste their lovely crafted traditional tacos, or dive into unforgettable explorations of their sea life, visiting Cabo will give you a life-changing appreciation of these unique regions and its long-time inhabitants. Their tour guides will be delighted to tell you all about the various historical and cultural influences that have covered to create these international jewels. I'm Ken from Travel the World with Thorkenn. If you are new for my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click notification bell so that you will be notified if I uploaded my new travel experience video. Enjoy watching Ken from Travel the World with Thorkenn. Welcome to Cabo San Lucas, also known simply as Cabo, is a resort city at the southern tip of the Baja California Peninsula in the Mexican state of Baja California Sur. As of 2020 census, the populations of the city was 202,694. Cabo San Lucas, together with the famous San Jose de Cabo, are collectively known as Los Cabos. Cabo San Lucas Beach has been called home for over 10,000 years. Archaeological evidence points of the human settlement on the tip of the Baja Peninsula thousands of years ago, and some traces of primitive paintings can still be seen today in the canyon surroundings of Los Cabos. The earliest aboriginal group we have in evidence of Cabo is the Piriquis tribe, while other American tribes are believed to have migrated from Siberia. The information about Cabo San Lucas we have in indicates that the Piriquis tribe moved from island to island and crossed the sea from Asia to Mexico. Whether exactly they sailed from the still a mystery. When you think about Los Cabos, you probably think about the precious gems and metals, and that's exactly what drew early explorers to the sea areas. Rumors of golds of the Baja Peninsula circulated the globes, and the discovery of the abundance of pearls in the Sea of Cortez drew traders to the shores. We have only unlimited hours to explore the city of Cabo San Lucas, then after, we need to go back to our cruise ships. We decided to have a boat tour for a limited people only. Our tours just first looking alongside the beautiful city and the Cabo San Lucas art, and then hoping for our luck to see as many of whales. Then after 2 hours of tours, if I'm not mistaken, going back to the harbor. Cabo San Lucas is the popular tourist destination, and it is known for its beautiful beaches, crystal clear water, and the vibrant nightlife. Cabo San Lucas offers a range of outdoors activities such as snorkeling, scuba diving, fishing, and the whale watching. It is also home to the landmark like El Arco de Cabo San Lucas, a distinctive rock formation at the end of the land end. The town has a variety of resorts, hotels, and restaurants, catering to the tourists from around the world. The Cabo San Lucas art, also known as El Arco de Cabo San Lucas, or the Art of Cabo San Lucas, is a famous natural landmark located at the southern tip of the Baja California Peninsula in Mexico. It is situated where the Pacific Oceans meet the seas of the Cortes, near to the town of San Lucas. The arc is a distinctive rock formation that has been curved by erosions of weathering over thousands of years. It is made of granite and stands tall as a towering archway that stretches out into the water. This popular tourist attraction is often photographed and is a symbol of the beauty of the Baja California coastline. The area around the Cabo San Lucas Arc is known for its diverse marine life, making a popular spot for snorkeling, scuba diving, and the boat tours. Visitors can admire the arc from the land or take it a boat ride to a closer look. The nearby Lovers Beach and Divorce Beach, located on either side of the arc, also attract many visitors who came to relax and enjoy the stunning natural scenery. The Cabo San Lucas Arc is a significant landmark that showcases the natural beauty of Mexico, Baja California Peninsula, and it's must visit for the tourists in the area. This is one of the Cabo's most famous tourist destinations, the Arc of Cabo San Lucas. This rock formation is more than 3 stories high and it sits on the southmost tip of the Cabo where the Pacific Ocean mixes with the Gulf of California. Visit the arc via sunset or a daytime catamaran cruise or the high-speed boat tour. The Arc of Cabo San Lucas is one of the most photographic and photogenic spots in the area, and it truly is amazing testament to the long history of the region. Cabo San Lucas is a popular destination for whale watching due to its locations on the southern tip of Baja California Peninsula. The best time to go whale watching in Cabo San Lucas is during the winter months, from December to March, when gray whales migrate from the Bering Sea to the warm water of the Sea of Cortes to give birth and mate. Several tours operators in Cabo San Lucas offer whale watching excursions either by boat or kayak. These tours typically last around 2 to 3 hours and include a knowledgeable guide who will provide information about the whales and their behaviors. During the tour, you may spot various species of whales, including gray whales, humpback whales, orcas, and sometimes even blue whales. It is also common to see dolphins, sea lions, and other marine wildlife during the excursions. The important to choose a responsible tour operators that follow guidelines for whale watching, such as maintaining the safe distance from the animal and minimizing the impact to their natural behaviors. Additionally, remember to dress appropriately for the weather, wear sunscreen, and bring binoculars and a camera to enhance your experience. Generally, whale watching tours in Cabo cost between 80 to 120 US dollar per person. If you book tours that include an open bar and a meal, they'll be at the higher end of this spectrum. Likewise, if you opt for experiences with a marine biologist, you will be paying for their knowledge. Can you swim with the whales in Cabo? No, it's illegal. Plus, they're a huge mammals and they're unpredictable. They could accidentally hurt you when they move. The Cabo San Lucas whale watching experience offers an incredible opportunity to witness these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat and create unforgettable memories. Did you know that the city is known as the golfing capital of Mexico, home to the nine gorgeous golf courses? Jacques Cousteau once described the Sea of Cortez as the aquarium of the world because of its wide variety of marine life. Cabo San Lucas was named as such by Francisco de Bolaños in October of 1541. In fact, Cabo was originally labeled ballenas, meaning whales, on the Spanish maps. Few people known that Cabo San Lucas was known as Yinicamo by the Pericruz. San Jose del Cabo was originally known as Anointing. The rich human history of Cabo San Lucas began around 1300 BCE. At the time, this gorgeous region was inhabited by the Perico people. Unfortunately, the Pericos people had been extinct for more than 250 years, but the European settlers who encountered them documented some of their characteristics. What is so special about Cabo San Lucas? Beyond the beaches, the food, the safety, and the weather, Cabo San Lucas is visited by millions of travelers. It's because it has something for everyone. From deep sea fishing to golf to baja, race car riding, scuba diving, snorkeling, yachting, surfing, horseback riding, on the beach and just sitting around and drink. Why is Cabo San Lucas is expensive? Many of Cabo's resorts and hotels are luxury-oriented. It costs more than to stay at the Four Seasons, Baldock Astoria, or the Auberge resorts, all brands that are in Cabo, than a Holiday Inn. The cost associated with the maintaining these high hotel standards can drive up the price too, but they have also some small B&B or any small houses that they can offer for you to stay in Cabo San Lucas. In general, for a limited hours to explore this city of Cabo San Lucas, still we manage to see and witness the amazing and a very beautiful place. You need only to plan ahead of time on what you need to do or while visiting this place for a limited period of time. But if you have still a plenty of time, don't rush it, just enjoy the city. If I have still a chance to visit this Cabo San Lucas, definitely yes, especially the beach and the food. I'm Ken from Travel the World with Thorkenn. Thank you for the love and support to my channel. Feel free to leave your comments about what did you saw or any feedbacks that will help my channel to improve in the future. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and click notification bell so that you will be notified if I uploaded my new travel experience video. Stay safe and take care.